Hi guys, Alyssa here with Diesel Power Products. Today we have the Mishimoto Coolant Filter Kit designed specifically for the 03 to 07 Ford F250 and F350 with the 6.0 Power Stroke, which is known for having debris in the cooling system. This kit filters your coolant over time. It's a bypass style system, meaning it pulls in a little bit of coolant, runs it through a filter, and keeps cycling it clean. For mounting, this kit bolts right onto the passenger side radiator support and ties into your coolant hoses. It sits right in the front of the engine for easy access to change your filter. The big reason people install this is to protect the oil cooler and the EGR cooler, which are common failure points in the 6.0, often caused by debris clogging things up. This kit helps prevent that and can seriously prolong the life of your cooling system. Install is easy. Mishimoto estimates about an hour. It comes with everything you see on the table, which is everything you need for install. This kit will pick up a lot of debris, so you'll want to change the filter frequently early on. This is one of the best preventative upgrades that you can do for your 6.0. Get yours today at dieselpowerproducts.com.